This year, which is the 30th anniversary of Jaramogi's demise, this is the year also which marks the 40th anniversary of my mom's death. Unfortunately, I want to tell you that my mother died when Raila was in detention. Some of you don't know how painful it is when your mom is buried. In your absence, you are in prison. We try to plead with the authorities to release him, at least to just come and say bye-bye to his mom, whom he loved greatly, whom he loved dearly. But they just refused, and they did not even want the information to reach him that his mother had died. Only Ida found some way of sneaking that information to him, and that is how he got it. But even when we met him 3 months after, they still thought Raila was not aware his mother had died, even though he had already gotten the information much earlier. So when we went to see him with Ida, he was seated and we were telling him that, we lost our mom, and he pretended to be crying, but he had already known. So those are some of the historical things which happened at that time. But you can see Raila, with all those tribulations, being in jail for over 8 years, he's still going strong. Anybody who thinks that, you can see Oburu is still very strong. How about Raila? Just as a child, isn't it? A small child. So that, I just want to say that the man we are celebrating today, Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, was a very, very committed family man. He was a committed family man, and he was also committed to this country. And when he died, I can